Outdoor pest control costs can totally surprise you if you're not prepared. So let me break down what you really need to know to keep bugs out without wrecking your budget. First off, expect to pay around $50 to $150 just for the initial inspection. That's pretty standard because they gotta check out the problem first. If you're dealing with everyday pests like ants or spiders, a routine treatment usually runs you between $75 and $300 per visit. Now, if it's something more serious like termites or mosquitoes, brace yourself. Termite treatments can hit anywhere from $500 to $2,000, while mosquito control often costs between $100 and $300 depending on how big your yard is. A lot of companies also offer yearly maintenance plans, which can cost about $300 to $600. These cover ongoing treatments and inspections, so you don't have to think about it all the time. If you're the DIY type, you could spend $20 to $100 on sprays or traps, but heads up, that only works if the infestation isn't too bad. Always get a few quotes from local pest pros before deciding because prices and services can vary a lot. Don't forget to ask if they offer any guarantees or follow-ups. That's a big deal if the pests come back. One of the biggest mistakes people make with outdoor pest control is not getting a proper inspection first. They might waste money treating the wrong problem or miss a bigger issue lurking underneath. To fix that, always schedule a thorough inspection before spending on treatments. Another common issue is underestimating how serious the infestation is. For example, skipping termite treatment early can cost way more later when damage piles up. So act fast and follow through with recommended plans. Lastly, lots of folks ignore maintenance plans thinking it's an unnecessary extra, but regular upkeep is key to keeping pests away long term and can actually save money by preventing big outbreaks. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners who want to find trusted local contractors without the hassle of endless searching, making sure you get legit help for your pest issues or any home project. Plus, it's a great way for contractors to connect with real jobs in their area and grow their business without wasting time chasing leads.